Freaking out about the way you love me, even when I do you wrong. I know that you're always thinking of me, gotta put it in a song. Your love is perfect, I have nothing to fear. You give me security, yeah. You're so low.
Right now I'm on my phone because I ain't got no more storage on my camera for right now. I just wanted to tell y'all the time I had in the shower in the first clip. Y'all see I didn't come back when I washed out the shampoo because it wasn't giving. I just wanted to give y'all a little update. Here's the hair. I'm gonna put that treatment back in my hair as a conditioner kind of, and then we're gonna see what's next. I just want to give y'all a little update because I was fighting in that shower. And then the water got cold when I was on my first section. So I'm doing the other section cold with cold water. Still on the phone with this horrible angle. Just got done twisting my hair after I got out the shower. And I'm gonna put it in. I don't like wet hair touching me, so that's why I'm making this disgusted face. I'm gonna put this in one ponytail. I don't know if I'm asleep like this, cause Chile. Hello. It's the hair. It's a little tight. It's how we rocking for however I keep this in. But it's a mess, so I gotta wash it out. And y'all see the sheen, the little shine on it. I was sitting down doing my little mini twist, which look really good, by the way. Giving it to the girls, And I got really hungry, so I stopped doing my hair and made some food. You're gonna see me put it together, I guess, in a way. So this is what I made.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby.
Just wanted to tell y'all that food was busting. I got one side of my hair finished and it's been like 4 to 6 hours. And I only got one side done. So I know this side gonna take 4 to 6 hours and it's like 7 o'clock at night. And I ain't got to be up all night. So we're gonna resume tomorrow. I'll catch y'all on the flip side.
But you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause I too on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tie. Cause they won't tell. Cause they tryna live their best life too on the low. this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the
Hi you guys, it's currently like, I say like 9 days later. I finished my twists. They've been in for a while. They've been in for a good little while. Just came in here to update y'all that nothing's been going on. That's why I haven't been vlogging for the last couple of days. But we finna get on and popping with this. We finna get on and popping with the next few clips. Right now I'm finna do my lashes. I'm finna attempt to do my lashes. We're gonna see how that go. But I'm finna TikTok it. So y'all finna get a little montage. If you go on my TikTok, you can see like the full video of everything. So right now, cue montage.
I can't get enough of your love. 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 Nothing seems to captivate me quite like you do. You can have my full devotion. I'm committed to you. You're the mystery revealed, undoubted. Feels so good I have to sing about it. I'm so happy that you hold me close. I don't ever wanna let you go. Yeah, I can't go a day without your love. Yeah, I won't give up on it, 'cause I need a touch from you. You gave me a new song, and I'll sing it all day long. I need you, I need you. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. Yeah, and thank you, Jesus.
We are currently on the way to go get some groceries because y'all know I need groceries a lot of times a week. I'm not gonna vlog in there. I'm not gonna vlog in the store. I'm gonna just do a little cute montage. I finished my lashes. Usually when I go to bed and wake up, they be messed up, but they ain't messed up this time because I slept appropriately this time. Appropriately. What's up? I need to do this thing and pause the live stream. Let me do my TikTok. What I need to do? Oh, that's what I need to do. Like the balance. I want to do my TikTok. Hesitated.
You gonna pop in the glass now? Cause ain't nobody right there in it. Wait, after that you come in on It's a Rap, huh? It's a Rap suit coming in. You said come in on It's a Rap. I know you remember me saying. Oh my God. So you didn't say that, Mom. Okay. I don't know. I just thought this after that part was over, and it's gonna automatic come in. You said come in on It's a Rap. Okay, Tootie, it's a Rap. I did.
At the last minute, my mama told me we finna go in the mall, so I guess we finna make a little mall trip just for her some funnel cake. Now I'm currently in the middle of doing my hair, cause this piece is like, y'all see the swoop? Y'all see the swoop? I tried to do, I think my ponytail a little too far back. What y'all think? Should it be like up here? I'm just finna glue this down. I already put the edge, the gel on my edge brush. Glue? Or should I just put it on my finger? I'm gonna put it on my finger and just retwist it. I'm gonna bobby pin. I'm gonna do that until I can blow dry it. I'm doing the bobby pin. And I want the ponytail higher. Got it, I did it. Got this little piece out. I'm really trying to bulk create TikToks as well, because we active on the TikTok and on the gram. We active on YouTube, TikTok, and the gram. So if you want to keep up, you know, some of them be different, some of them be the same. Whatever you feel. I'm finna get back to my get rid of it. I took my thing out and I got fully ready. Super cute. Now I'm finna wash my hands and put my contacts in, because if you know, I'm blind. Well, not blind. Oh, ma'am. It's harder to put contacts in when you got lashes on for some reason. That was easy peasy. You know how some get stuck in the contact and you put it in your eye? Some is dead in my eye. I wish it was down a little more.
Take, let's go, sit, let's roll. Straightening, 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 yeah, straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get straight, you straightening. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. What? Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. Been kicking shit, hopping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting De Niro's a Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. Put that shit on, get on, then get it on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She fat to said it went with your milk prone. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic. You know that's the shit we on. Them niggas gon' pull up and let this shit together. Won't fuck with you home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, it's taking. It's a problem with you, then we straighten it. Swap out the cap with a demon in it. Upgrade the band up with fiends in it. I got some she seen with it. We're running shit back, I just seen tenant. We gonna get straight, straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening.
I'm currently back home, sitting down on this couch, looking at the clips that I just got. What we did was we went to Walmart. Y'all seen that? And the gas station. And we came on home. Nothing too major. Just something slight.
Me on no time, I ain't late. Still rockin' by money bait. Sit back and roll on, smoking that to the face. I call it cool, different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seeing no slum of the day. Trouble, you come from the A. Strip back and off, ain't waiting. Starting off in the best lane. Smoke all back to the brain. Sliding that Bentley move, same. 2018, the new range. Look through that shit, eat the pain.
Currently just finished my workout. I started adding more workouts to my workout. I'm dead, like I feel sick dead. I'm finna go take this shower. The key to a workout is starting slow, like build your momentum. If you start out fast, you're gonna end up like giving out in like the 2nd month and like the 3rd month. So if you start off slow, you can eventually just build your momentum and you can keep going. So yeah, I'm gonna go get in the shower.